Brisket smoked on the Old Country Petco's. I like to keep these aluminum foil pans handy because you can see good 30-40 minutes and it's not gonna hurt them at all. And remember, chickens have already hit an internal temp of 100%. Oh, remember at the beginning I said I didn't like it. This was too thin. Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be smoking some baby back pork ribs, but I'm going to apply mango barbecue sauce. Now the barbecue sauce is not going to be a homemade version. It's going to be a simplified or modified version. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my favorite, or one of my favorite barbecue sauces. I'm going to cook down some fresh mango, and I'm going to add this mango habanero seasoning from Don Juan's. And this is a great seasoning, guys, and I'm going to use some all-purpose seasoning that I like to use a lot. I'm going to get these ribs out of that cryo bag. I'm going to give them a quick rinse, pat it down dry, apply the seasoning or the rub, and then I'll show you what I do to them, guys. I'll be right back. Ribs is going to be rubbed down with the KC barbecue rub, Weber, made by Weber. I already have that in a little shaker, so I'm going to do that real quick. Oh, I did remove the membrane from the ribs because you don't want to be eating that stuff. A little bit of my all-purpose. Bit over. Can see. When you're doing baby back ribs, guys, go a little bit liberal because they're pretty meaty. And that's it, guys. So I'm gonna let the rib sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna go check on that smoker, guys. We're gonna be cooking on the Old Country Petco smoker. This is like my third or fourth smoke on it, and I'm just trying to learn how to use it a little bit better. But let's see what it does to ribs, guys. Be right back. All right, guys. So I'm out here at the Old Country Petco smoker. And I'm gonna place these ribs not the long way. You're probably wondering how I'm gonna distinguish between both ribs, but if you can see right there, there's a couple of toothpicks that I put in there just so I can know. And that's the mango ones. Got a nice little water pan down there, and today I'm going to be cooking these ribs at 275 degrees, between 240 to 275. I know it's going to fluctuate a little bit, but you know, I don't like to go any higher than that. They'll be fine. So I don't cook by time, guys. I cook by when they're done. When they're done, they're done, and that's just barbecue, guys. So be right back. Let me shut this lid. Alright guys, I'm back. So let's make this very simple mango barbecue sauce. Oh, hey guys, I want to show you this. My wife got me this for Christmas. I don't know if you can see the engraving. This is the backyard griller. Thought it was very nice. I really hadn't used it because I didn't want to get it dirty. She got this from the Done Better personalized gifts, and I'll include a link at the bottom in case you guys are interested. He makes them larger. To me, it's a perfect size for cutting veggies and fruits and whatnot. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna slice up some onion. And you can add as much or as little mango as you want. One more. Get it in there. Then I'm going to add about half a cup of pineapple juice. And you can add whichever brand you like. Then I'm adding some mango nectar. And this I'm going to go half cup and another half cup. This thing is thick. It smells really good too. Okay. So I'm going to add some spices. If I could find it. I'm just gonna eyeball it here, guys. About half a teaspoon of garlic. I got the old one. There you go. About half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Powder, guys, not salt. And then got some ground cumin. This stuff is very, very strong, guys, so I'm just gonna do about a quarter of a teaspoon. Then now we're gonna let this come to a boil, and then I'm gonna simmer it. I don't know how long it'll take. I think it'll take about 15 minutes, give or take. And then we're gonna puree this stuff and then add the barbecue sauce. The store-bought barbecue sauce. So we'll be back, guys. All right, guys, so the mango and onions, the onion and spices have been boiling away for only 5 minutes. It's already starting to bubble. The goal is to get the mango and the onion nice and soft so that we can puree them in a blender and fold in that barbecue sauce. So far so good, guys. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so the mango and onion and spices have been boiling away for about 15 minutes, and as you can see, they're already nice and soft. You can see that it released a lot of its sugar, plus I added some nectar, mango nectar, and it's very syrupy. So I've already shut the heat off. I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit. Then I'm gonna toss it inside a blender, add the barbecue sauce, and show you what it looks like. So be back in a few minutes, guys. All right, guys, so let's pour in that barbecue sauce. I had already poured a little bit of it, and I did not use all of the mango that I simmered. I am gonna use all of this barbecue sauce. And it wasn't full, it was 3/4 full. I had used a little bit already. All right, so I gave it a quick puree. Let's give this sauce a try. Let's see here. Oh man, really, really good. It can use a little bit more mango, so I'm gonna add some more mango. And that's all you want to do, guys. You add a little at a time and go by taste until you get to where you're very comfortable with it and with what you like. And that's all it takes. So let me add some more mango and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, it's been 30 minutes and let's check these ribs out. Look at that. Nice color. Still pretty stiff. Let's give them a quick spritz. Just using water, guys. Regular water. That's what I always use. Man, what a nice color, huh? Smells really, really good. Let's leave some chicken in there. Why not? Alright, guys, so these ribs have been in the smoker for roughly 3 hours. And look at that color, guys. Beautiful, beautiful color. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to pull them off the pit. I'm going to wrap them in heavy duty tin foil and then pop them back in. Then we'll sauce them up. Alright, guys, so I wrapped the ribs in heavy duty tin foil and I placed the bones facing up. So as the juice melts down, it'll self-baste the ribs. I added a few more chunks of mesquite. It's really not going to get any more smoke flavor. I just want to build up a little bit more heat. And we'll check on these. These I will check in about 1 hour to see how much pullback they have. So we'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, so the ribs have been covered in tin foil for roughly 2 hours. And this is what you want to see, guys. See? Goes in very soft. So now at this point, all I'm going to do is sauce them up and then just give them about 15 minutes to let the sauce set, and we'll be ready to eat. Be right back. Well, there you go, guys. I just sauced the ribs up, and I'm going to give them about 15-20 minutes just to set up, and then we'll take them inside and slice them up. We'll be back. Alright, guys, so here is the finished product. Let me slice into one of these bad boys. Look at that smoke ring, guys. These are meaty ribs. That, guys. Very juicy. Get a close up for that. Very juicy. Nice smoke ring. Let's see how they taste. Very, very good, guys. You can definitely taste that that mango. Check out that bite mark. That's exactly what you want to see, guys. These ribs are tender. They're almost falling off the bone, but not quite. That's exactly how I like them. You can cook them however you like them. But guys, that's how I do my mango barbecue sauce ribs, guys. Very, very simple. Guys, if you have any questions, please drop them down below. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. You know the drill. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great night.